Alright guys, so welcome back to another episode of the series Recreating Viral AI TikTok Videos. So today in this video, we're gonna go ahead and recreate this video. Like first of all, take a look at this.
Holy heck, Lupa. I ain't even know I was made out of gold, Lupa.
Why ain't you tell me I had gold in my skin, Lupa?
Alright, so this video I basically picked up from this TikTok account, which basically, recreates all of these viral AI cartoon movies, including AI fruit videos and, all of the latest AI TikTok trends that are really going viral nowadays. So today I'll be recreating this video. I'm going to show you the entire process, how you can create this video, for absolutely free without paying a single dollar. So without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to download this TikTok, and the next step is we're going to go inside of Google Gemini. Simply, upload your video right over here, and then we're going to say, can you analyze this video and tell me the story and characters of this video? And then Google Gemini is gonna basically analyze, the whole characters, like, how they are made. So it basically said the first one is Black Banana Guy Lupa, the protagonist, a dark-skinned black banana character wearing a hoodie, chains, and ripped jeans. Then we have a pink egg mystery lady. Then we have Strawberry Wife and pawn shop owner. Okay, and then also we have the story breakdown, like it not only just break down the characters for us but also the story. So this is the only and the easiest way you can take any TikTok and basically just draft or analyze the story from that very easily. Okay, so then after our story and our characters are done, so the next step is in the same chat we're gonna say to Google Gemini, I want to go ahead and generate this story. So I'll do it with two steps. First, generating images, and then converting those images into video. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna take that story, take those characters, and generate images. Okay, so that we can later on convert those or make videos out of it. So now kindly go ahead and analyze the story, and then generate me images prompt in JSON format in separate tabs for each scene, so that I can generate the images. And then in the next chat we can generate video prompts, and then Google Gemini basically generated the whole image prompts for me, starting from scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, and scene 6. Okay, so once all of our image prompts are ready, so then we're gonna go ahead and start creating images. So for that, I'm gonna go to a new tab of Google Gemini. So first of all, we're gonna start by clicking the plus button right over here, click on create image. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and start by simply copying the prompt and pasting it inside of Google Gemini. Just like, this is the only thing you have to do, and simply paste it, like, click on submit. All right, and as you guys can notice as well, I am using the free method, like free version of Google Gemini. So this is, the entire process of these videos, like these episodes. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to teach you how you can create viral AI TikTok videos, for absolutely free, the most important, without paying a single dollar. Okay, so that's exactly what our goal is. All right, so for that image, it basically provided us with this output, which looks really good. It looks accurate, just like exactly the same reference image, like the reference video that we just saw. Okay, so then we're gonna go ahead and start generating our second image. I'm gonna simply copy this, paste it right over here. And one important thing, if you want your videos to be consistent, if you want your characters, the scenes to be consistent, so make sure after generating every scene, just simply, before generating the second one, copy this image, paste it right over here, so that it has all the features, all the directions of this scene, and it generates the second image for you with the whole consistency and everything. Okay, so that is a very important point. Make sure that I'm going to click on submit for that. Okay, so for that, it basically went ahead and provide me with this output, which looks really good. And similarly, I went ahead and created my third scene, my fourth scene, fifth one, sixth one, and seventh one, just like that. Okay, so once all of your images are ready with the help of images prompt that we just generated, I'm gonna go ahead and download all of these images with me. Okay, so once all of my images are downloaded right over here, so the next step is we need to go ahead and generate videos. So for that, first of all, we need to generate our video prompts. Okay, so for that, I basically said to Google Gemini in the same chat, like, now provide me video prompts with, dialogues in same black slang, like hood kind of language and black language, and use of lupa word in every sentence, because as you guys notice nowadays, TikTok videos, they are made in, like, the black language, that makes it even more funny, that makes it, like, even more watchable, using like word or looper word. So yeah, that is really, really engaging. So that's exactly what we're trying to achieve. So for that, it basically provided me with all the video prompts for the images that we just generated. So we're gonna go ahead and start generating videos. So for creating videos, I'm gonna go ahead and be using Google Flow. I'll be using Google VEO3. You can use inside of Google Flow. And mind you guys, it's not completely free, but by using 2 to 3 accounts, you'll be able to generate videos for absolutely free. Like I'm gonna show you, I'm not using any like paid subscription at all. I'm just using the free version, and with the help of that, I was able to generate 3 videos just like this. So for generating videos, it's really simple. I'm gonna go ahead and upload my first image right over here. Let's just say drag this image to add ingredients, and for the settings, for the parameters, make sure you select video, select ingredients, 9:16, 1x, omni flash, and 10 seconds. Okay, so make sure you have these settings. And then for the video prompt, we're gonna go ahead and pick the same video prompt for this image that we just generated, which was this scene one. I'm gonna simply paste it right over here and click on generate. Okay, so for that, it basically provided me with this output. Like, take a look at this, you guys.
Holy heck, Lupa! I ain't even know I was made out of gold, Lupa!
So yeah, that is really, really good, really funny. So similarly, I went ahead and generated all of the rest of my videos. Like, let me show you this one.
Babe, I'm really tired of living this poor life, Lupa. We barely got for rent, barely got money for food, and every day is the same struggle, Lupa.
And just like that, we have another video.
Why ain't you tell me I had gold in my
Skin, Lupa.
I was trying to hide that from the world.
But that could make us rich, Lupa.
All right, and then we have another video. Let me show you this.
He gonna be sleeping good tonight, Lupa. Ain't nobody keeping secrets from me no more, Lupa.
All right, so just like that, you can go ahead and easily generate videos with the help of Google Flow. So I basically use, 2 to 3 accounts for this video, and you can basically generate multiple Gmail accounts and use Google VO3 inside of Google Flow for absolutely free, you guys, okay? All right, so once all of my videos are done, I'm gonna simply download them with me, and then the next step, the last step, is editing. Okay, so you can do editing inside of CapCut, Filmora, like any video editor of your choice, but I'll be using Filmora. I simply went ahead and drag all of my videos, like all of my clips right over here. Then after that, simply drag them, line up one by one, just like that. And then for the background music, I basically went ahead and picked the same background music that is going really, really famous nowadays, which is this one. All right, so if you want the link of this background music, comment down below and I'll provide you in the comment section. And once all your video editing is done, all of your clips are just lined together, simply need to export your video, and here is the final output.
Holy heck, Lupa! I ain't even know I was made out of gold, Lupa!
Babe, I'm really tired of living this poor life, Lupa. We barely got for rent, barely got money for food, and every day is the same struggle, Lupa.
I think you need to get a second job, Lupa.
Hey, yo, Lupa, how much can you give me for all this, Lupa? Man, I can give you $67,000, Lupa. Say less, Lupa. I'll take it, Lupa.
Where the heck did you get this much money, Lupa?
I got a secret I want to show you, Lupa. This is where all the money came from, Lupa.
You really made out of gold, Lupa? We ain't never gonna be broke again, Lupa. He gonna be sleeping good tonight, Lupa. Ain't nobody keeping secrets from me no more, Lupa. Man, this was the best decision I ever made in my life, Lupa. Now I ain't gotta worry about money ever again, Lupa.
So yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. So if you have any other video suggestions, if you want me to recreate any of your favorite AI TikTok video, just comment down below. You can share me the link of that video as well via Instagram at aizenstudios.yt. You can directly DM me and I'll make sure to create a video on that one as well. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.